Hey, it's Kirk. We're going to take up a 1978 Cessna T210M we've got listed for sale. Come along for the ride and we'll show you what it's all about.
Coeur d'Alene traffic, back 1327 November, midfield, left downwind 20, full stop Coeur d'Alene. Good morning. Centurion 7000 Kilo at Coeur d'Alene Aviation. Taxi south on Alpha to 02 run-up area.
7000 Kilo, Coeur d'Alene ground. Good morning. Runway 2, taxi via Alpha.
Runway 2 via Alpha for 7000 Kilo. Okay, instruments are all looking good. Go up to 2000, cycle our prop. So we'll take off. We'll head south. Once we get out there, I'll get the autopilot going and go heading and climb up to 8500. Tower November 7000 kilos. Hold chart as 02 ready to go. Departure to the south.
1000 Kilo, Roger. Runway 2, line up and wait.
2 line up and wait for 7000 kilo.
66 Lima, right turn, contact ground.
6 Lima, right turn, contact ground.
7000 Kilo, runway 2, clear for takeoff, right turn to the south.
2, clear for takeoff, right turn to the south for 7000 kilo. Up and locked. Lock, flap set.
Kilo, for exchange approved.
Frequency change approved for 7000 kilo. All right, we'll get our autopilot set. So we're here today in 7000 Kilo. This is an aircraft we've got listed for sale through our brokerage services. This particular model is a 1978 Turbo 210M, powered by the Continental TSIO 520 at 310 horsepower. As you can see, aircraft is set up very, very nicely. Garmin G5, Garmin G3X full touchscreen, Garmin GTN 750 for primary navcom, and secondary navcom is the Garmin GTN 430 WAS. GTX 345 transponder gives us our traffic in and out, ADS-B in and out. Garmin GFC 500 autopilot with yaw dampener, so three-axis autopilot. Just a great aircraft. Right now we've got it set up for a nice cruise climb, indicating 115 knots. We've got that set in the indicated airspeed mode in our autopilot. We're just climbing right up. You've got all your different settings there. Indicated airspeed 115 knots. So just a great aircraft. It does have TKS de-icing on it, and that's going to be on the leading edge of the wings, the elevator, the prop, and the windshield. Actually, the prop is a hot prop, not it's an electric prop, not a TKS de-ice prop. So it's got a backup alternator as well that pops down out of the wing. Paint looks great on it. Paint was done a number of years ago, but it was a full strip and repaint. Interior, I believe, was done in 2016. This particular one also has the, we did a gross weight increase on this one. It's normally a 3,800 pound gross weight. This one's at 4,000 pounds, which gives us a 1,479 useful load. So just a heck of a lot of airplane here for the money. The 210s, they came out in, originally introduced in 1960. Essentially it was a 182B, but then they added the retractable landing gear to pick up a little bit of speed on it. So it was powered by an 0470 making 235 horsepower. I believe it was 1964 they came out with the D model, which added 2 small seats in the back. They also increased the horsepower up to 285 horse. I believe in 1967 they changed the wing on it. They went to a cantilever wing and got rid of the wing strut on it. And then in 70, that was the first full 6-seat model. They replaced the flat leaf spring main landing gear with longer tubular struts that allowed the tires to be nested further back in the fuselage, making more room for the full-size rear seats. So this particular aircraft, it's got about 4325 total time on the airframe, about 725 total time on the engine. The owner is getting to where he doesn't need a fast cross-country traveler as much as he used to. He already bought a 206 from us, and we're just getting that ready for a lot of backcountry stuff. He doesn't do any backcountry flying with this. That's why he's moving up to the 206. So, currently traffic. Here in 7,000 kilo is 10 to the south, 7,500 for 8,500 southbound currently traffic. So here we are, we're leveled off 8,500 foot. We've got her pulled back to 20, nice cruise power setting, 24 squared. We're dial the fuel back a little bit. We're burning about 20 gallons an hour. We'll get it back down here to about 18 gallons an hour, but true airspeed, 148 knots. Just cruises along nice. Obviously, autopilot's doing all the hard work now. Just a great aircraft. So we just dialed in on our Garmin GTN 750. Just dialed in direct Coeur d'Alene, so it's got our course there. We're on the heading mode right now. We can hit nav and it'll just make its turn and take us right back to Coeur d'Alene, so we'll go ahead and hit that.
along for a ride in the Cessna T210M. For more information, click the link in the description below. That'll take you to our website. Click on Aviation Sales tab and you can see all of our listings. If you like this video, be sure to hit like and subscribe to follow us on all of our social media platforms. Thanks for coming along.